Hello everybody, welcome back to my cooking channel. Today, I'm going to show you how I make an orange banana smoothie. It's really good and it's very healthy. Let's get started. Or give you a blender or a ninja. I put in 1 cup of vanilla yogurt. Then put in 1 banana. 1 cup of orange juice. And about 1 or 2 tablespoons of honey. Now you put the lid on and blend it for about 60 seconds until it's nice and creamy. Yum. I hope you guys enjoyed my recipe for an orange banana smoothie. I mean, look at the color. Oh, it's perfect. So, let me give it a taste. That is really refreshing. So good. So, thank you guys so much for watching our new recipe. Make sure you like, subscribe, leave a comment, and I will see you on the next birthday for a new recipe. Peace out.